Hello, and this is Cole Cochran, and we are going to learn how to convert your podcast to an MP3 file and how to export. Why we're making an MP3 file is that it is very convenient to share to all devices. First, we are going to go to your podcast and click the share button. Then go down to the button where it says export song to disk. Now, edit your title to say your podcast name and your name. Then you're going to click MP3. Of course, yours will be on AAC, so now go back to MP3. And then you're going to press export. I just did this right now. So I am going to make a new MP3 file. But this won't pop up on yours. So right now it is downloading all the data on the podcast and is going to convert it to an MP3 player. Mine is pretty long, so it's going to take a long time. But you see it goes pretty fast, so you won't be waiting 20 minutes for it. So an MP3 file is very, very convenient. If you were to submit an assignment with GarageBand, you would want to use an MP3 file because it's easy to drag on and it's easy to open up. Here it's almost done. Alright, now it's going to go to converting to MP3, which is completely normal. There, now it's done. So I'm going to get out of this. And there you have it. This is an MP3 file. That'll be your podcast. Thank you for your time.